Hello and welcome to Chucks and Chapstick. If it is your first time at Chucks and Chapstick, I say go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then tap, tap, tap on that notification bell so that you never miss another Chucks and Chapstick upload. However, if you're back for more unboxing shenanigans, it's right around the corner. So if you have watched my channel for any length of time, you will know that I subscribe to the Mix and Matchbox service. And after 3 boxes receiving things that were just really bad, I decided to cancel. When I gave the feedback about why I canceled, they actually reached out to me and said, give us one more opportunity. We'll give you a new stylist. We'll waive your styling fee for this next box. Just give us another opportunity to make it right. So I said, okay. So what I have here is actually my 4th box as a replacement for my 3rd box, because my 3rd box was a total 0. I am in my workout gear. I work out after work, so I'm a little bit sweaty, but I did want to go ahead and open the items up and see what was in there, but I will not be trying on because I just feel uncomfortable trying on clothes that I might be sending back with an unfresh body. Says right here, if the possibility exists that thine might not purchase the clothes sent to thee, then thou shalt try them on with a clean body. It's right here. It says it right here. Now, if you want to do that, then do it. No judgment. A little bit of judgment. No judgment. So we'll go ahead and open this box up. 2 big old pillows. Ooh, that's cute. It's a long sleeve top and it has elbow patches. It's a dress. It's a short dress. Or is it a dress? Oh, look at that bottom hem too. That's really cute. I like that. Oh, here's a beige tight top. Interesting. A pair of frayed hem jeans. That was our first bundle. Not bad at all. A striped shirt with a tie front. It kind of feels like a towel material, a terry cloth, but it's really lightweight, so I think it would actually be, yeah, I think it would be okay for the summer. A pair of white jeans with distressing. A gray top with some ties at the sleeve. Another pair of celebrity pink jeans. Pretty basic, but they're jeggings. Already much better. Thumbs up. Let's go try them on tomorrow. It's a new day. I have a new do, and I am freshly laundered. So let's go ahead and try the items in this mix and match box. First up, we have this gray top with the sheer portion at the bottom. It's too tight. The material was actually very comfortable, and the tie sleeves was a cute little extra bonus, but I was looking for summer items, and there is nothing about this that says summer. Additionally, the jeans. Now, these are celebrity pink jeans. And these jeans are so comfortable. Stretchy, they move well, they fit well. So if you're a person with a slightly larger gut, I would suggest celebrity pink jeans because I really don't have any complaints about these. It's just that I don't need another pair of blue jeans. Of all the items in this box, this dress actually surprised me the most. I typically don't do the waists on a dress that have the stretchiness, but this actually fit pretty well. As you'll see, it has a stretchy waist here, so it would be really comfortable. V-neck, it has a cute detail on the sleeve, that kind of scallop sleeve, and then it also has some fringe at the bottom, which you'll see here in just a moment. But everything about this was really comfortable. It doesn't have pockets. Grr. Cute and comfortable. Who can ask for anything more? So I really like this striped shirt. The material was very comfortable. I like the elbow patches, but they would not stay on my elbow. They kept raising above it. So yeah, it was just kind of odd. Now, if you look at this, you'll see this length on this top is very long and it hugs my belly. I pull it up just a few inches. Same shirt, and it almost gives a different illusion. It doesn't hug my belly the same and makes me look smaller. This is a prime example why I do not wear tunic length tops. I really like this top, but the length killed it for me. Although this top is long sleeve, it's actually very airy. I really thought that the concept of it was really cute. I like the tie at the waist. It has these puff sleeves. It reminds me of Seinfeld a little bit on the puffy sleeve episode. But there's nothing really that I had to complain about with this top. Next, you'll see these jeans here, again, celebrity pink. They have the striping on the side and then the step hem. They were a little big in the thigh for me than what I'm used to, but overall the jeans themselves were really comfortable. You can see me woogieing right here, and stayed comfortable, no complaints. The only thing is that I actually have a pair of jeans that are very similar from Slink with the side patches and the frayed hem. So don't need another. Now we have this oatmeal colored top with the knot. I really like this top. The shape of it, the basic look of it. The main problem with this top is that it has a raw hem, which you probably can't see, and I just thought that was a little weird. The other thing is that it felt a little itchy, and it feels like the type of material that as soon as you wash it, it will shrink 2 sizes. So I opted against it, but I like the style. So these jeans are too small, they're too thin, they are too small, and they are too thin, and they're too small and too thin. I wanted to like them. I've been wanting white jeans. I like the fact that they are frayed on the front, that they are nice and stretchy, but these jeans, no. This is the same shirt. I just put it with a pair of dark pants that I already owned. I didn't really like it with the white pants, so I was just trying it with something different. I like the darker pants better. Ignore the unidentified flying object that just flew past the camera. My windows were open, and apparently something from outside wanted a little camera time too. Don't tell anybody that I said this, but I don't think I have much to complain about. So, what did you guys think about this mix and match box? Me, I think it was eons better than the previous 3 boxes that I received. Maybe getting a new stylist was the key. Or maybe this was just a lucky box, and the next time I get one, the luck will turn sour again. What do you guys think? Let me know. Because when it's all said and done, even though it's a great box, it was 1 out of 4. The rest of them, not even worth the time or energy, and definitely not the money. I don't know. I'm not sure what to do. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not really sure what I'm going to keep. There are only 2 things that are completely out of the running. The other things might be contenders, but this was a much better box. I'm just happy about that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the prices. Anyway, if you have any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye.